Hey guys, so I got bored of this. I just want to change it up a little bit. So I'm trying to see which color to use, which color of fur to use. Like I'm trying to decide which will look better. Of course, it's not gonna be like this because I have to cut according to the shape so that here can still the buckle part can still be open. So this is this. And there's this color, black. I think I'm gonna go with the black. Seems like something I could use every single day and it wouldn't stand out so much. Alright guys, so the plan is to cut out the W shape like for the opening side of the bag. So I'm gonna trace it. I'm just gonna feel and trace and that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna patch this up because there's a space here. So there's a little piece I cut out. I'm just gonna patch it up. And the beautiful thing about this is that since it's a foam material, it's not gonna be noticeable at all. Alright now, so I'm gonna cover this area and later open the holes for this. But for now, I'm just gonna close everything up. So this is how the bag looks at at the end of the day. All right, so I'm gonna say that I didn't follow any specific step like trying to measure and all that because this is a full material, right? So whichever mistake you make, you can easily just cover it up and it will still be fluffy and good. So this is what our bag looks like at the end of the day. It turned out so good and happy. I have another bag added to my collection of other DIY bags. So I can't wait to rock this, and I'll see you guys in my next video.